Hello, welcome to EPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about the various things. So let us begin with the new chapter known as the social sector initiative. You know, the social sector initiative is the very important sector, and in this we talks about the social justice, how various schemes related to that. So let us begin with this new topic. Okay. Consider the following statements. Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme, also known as MP-led scheme, is formulated Government of India on 23rd December 1993. These statements are correct. MP-leds allowed Member of Parliament for spending up to 5 crore, not 2 crore per year on the local area development. So these statements are incorrect. Asking about the correct statement. So only one is correct. So answer is A. Consider the following statement. The Indian government recently launched Independent Evaluation Office to suggest radical changes in the government social sector initiative. These statements are correct. IO is an independent office. Yes, it is under the chair of the Prime Minister. So these statements are also correct. Asking about the correct statements. 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. Read the following statements regarding the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It ensures LPG connection to men and women from the families below poverty line. These statements are correct. The applicants need to have bank account in many of the national banks. These statements are also correct. Not sorry. This is only for the women, not men. So first statements are incorrect. Only applicants have above 18 years age can prevail this benefit. So this statement is also incorrect. The scheme treats the qualified applicants equally irrespective of their caste. Okay. So these statements are also correct. Asking about the correct statement. So 2 and 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Sorry for interpretation because this statements are also incorrect. Why these statements are incorrect? Because he is equally treated. Because you know the SC/ST is especially treated. So the statements are incorrect. Asking all the correct statements. So only 2. So answer is B. Consider the following statements. The Nalanda project is the program under the Ministry of Humanity, not under Ministry of Culture. So these statements are incorrect. It involves awareness, orientation and development of faculties of humanity institution. Yes. Asking about the correct statements, only 2 are correct. So answer is B. Next question, read the following statements regarding to a Stand Up India scheme. It was launched by the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. This statement is incorrect because launched by the Narendra Modi. It aimed at supporting entrepreneurship among the women ST communities. Yes. Loans under the scheme is available for only greenfield project. Yes. Loan borrower should not be default in any bank financial institution. Yes. Asking about the correct statement. So 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is C. Consider the following statements regarding to the new corporate social responsibility rules. Companies to spend 2% and their 3 years average annual net profit of CSR activity. Yes. Surplus of the CSR activities can be the part of the profit of company. This statement is correct because it is not part of the profit of company. All CSR activities will have to be within India. So these statements are correct. The new rules will also be applicable to the foreign company registered in India. So these statements are incorrect. Asking all the correct statements. 1 and 3 correct. So answer is B. Consider the following statements regarding to how National Rural Livelihood Mission seeks to improve livelihood to rural poor. You know that this scheme is also known as the Ajivika scheme. By setting up a large number of new manufacturing industry and agribusiness center in rural area, this statement is incorrect because this is not focused. By strengthening the self-help groups, providing skills and development. Yes. By supplying seeds, fertilizer, micro irrigation equipments free of cost. This statement is correct. Not free of cost by the subsidized rate. So these statements are incorrect. Asking about the correct. So only 2 are correct. So answer is A. Next question, which one of the following matches the village cluster of the Pura model? You know the Pura model is the concept of the APJ Abdul Kalam, and in this village cluster is divided into 3 parts: type A, type B and type C. What is the type A? Type A is the located very closer to urban area with highly developed infrastructure. Yes. Type C is linked to the situated of the interior with the no infrastructure facility at all. Yes. And type B is the type of situated close to urban area but with the especially infrastructure. So B only statements are correct. So answer is B. Consider the following statements regarding to India Inclusive Innovation Fund created by the National Innovation Council in partnership with the Ministry of the Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises. India Inclusive Innovation Fund is impact investment fund that will invest in the venture catering of the country's poor areas. It is autonomous of the 500 crore with the Union government contributing 20% only. So these statements are incorrect. Will be registered under the SEBI Alternative Investment Fund Category 1 guidelines. Yes. Asking all the correct statements 1 and 3 are correct. Here is not option is given. So what is the correct answer? 1 and 3. Question. Consider the following statement regarding to National Urban Health Mission. It aims to provide adequate and efficient urban public health delivery system for urban poor areas. Center will bear 80% of the cost, not 100%. So these statements are incorrect. Asking all the correct statements, only one correct. So answer is A. Consider the following statements. STA Kishore Swasth Karyakram is a country's first comprehensive adolescent health program. Yes. It covers boys and girls between the age 10 and 19. So these statements are incorrect. Asking all the correct statement. So only one incorrect. So answer is A. Consider the following statement regarding to Integrated Child Development Services Scheme. The Government of India sponsored program. Yes. Launched on October 2, 1975. Yes. It aims to improve the nutritional and health status of the vulnerable groups, including preschool children and pregnant women in the nurturing mothers. Yes. Asking all the correct statements. 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. Consider the following statement about the Nirbhaya Fund. Nirbhaya Fund is a 1000 crore fund aimed at enhancing the safety and for empowerment of women. Yes. Mobile handset maker will have to introduce SOS SMS service alert button to ensure the women in distress can be reached by the police in the minimum possible time. The statements are correct. Asking about the correct statements. 1, 2 are correct. So answer is C. Consider the following statement regarding to National Skill Framework Qualification. National Skill Qualification Framework is encouraged at the National Skill Development Agency and is being implemented through the National Skills Qualification Committee, which comprises all key stakeholders. The statements are correct. The National Skill Quality Council function amongst the other include approving NOS, OPS, approving accreditation, norms, prescribing guidelines to address the needs of disadvantaged section, reviewing interagency dispute and the alignment of the National Skill Qualification Framework with the International Qualification Framework. These statements are correct. Asking all the correct statements. 1 and 2 are correct. So answer is C. Next question. Consider the following statement. Accredited social health activity, also known as ASAs, are community health workers instituted by the Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare as a part of the National Rural Health Mission. Yes. Its mission began in 2005. Yes. ASAs are the local women trained to act as a health educator and promoter in their communities. Yes. Asking all the correct statements. 1, 2 and 3 correct. So answer is D. Thank you for discussion. Meeting in the next lecture. Thank you.